Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I am your host Nitin and I am back again with one fantastic seafood recipe. पॉम्फ्रेट की रेसिपी है, ये मोस्ट पॉपुलर फिश है और इसको मालवनी स्टाइल में बनाएंगे. भरला पॉपलेट बोलते हैं, जिसमें पॉम्फ्रेट के अंदर स्टफिंग की जाती है नारियल की चटनी. सो द कोकोनट चटनी स्पाइसी गोज इनसाइड द पॉम्फ्रेट. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट ऑल वी नीड फॉर आवर भरला पॉपलेट. So we got two fresh pomfrets and look at them. They've been cut open like this. Now most of the times the fisher woman or the collie woman from which you buy pomfret, they exactly know how to cut this. So they make this pocket and it's been cleaned from inside. So both of them are given same cuts and cleaned from inside. So first thing what we will do is we'll just lightly marinate them with some salt, red chili powder and little bit of turmeric. And as I always say, fish recipes you need something sour, so we are adding some lemon juice and we will rub this over a fish and keep it aside. So that takes care of marinating the upper part of the fish. Then the chutney will go inside. Now keep that aside. Let me just wash my hands. So अभी हम चटनी बनाएंगे जिसका स्टफिंग पॉम्फ्रेट में जाएगा और उसके लिए लिटिल बिट ऑफ अदरक, few cloves of garlic, few chilies and freshly grated coconut. This is most important. In this recipe, your coconut has to be freshly grated. Then only you will get that exact flavor. And some fresh coriander. Now, while you are making this chutney, you have to almost add no water. We'll add some salt and a juice of half a lemon. And to balance the flavor, add a pinch or two of sugar. Now let us grind this into a thick smooth paste. So we have done the grinding. It is still not that fine, but we will add now around 8 to 10 peppercorns and little bit of cumin for flavor and adjust the salt as well. And we'll add a teaspoon of water to make it nice and smooth. So that's why I said you have to add water with lot of caution. Let us grind it again till it becomes a smooth paste. So our nariyal chutney is ready, and this coconut chutney is so fragrant and delicious. You can just have it by itself. So let us stuff our pomfrets with this chutney. So carefully open the pocket, add a good dollop of chutney inside and then spread it with your hand. Need to be little gentle with it and then close the fish gently. That's it. So that one stuffed pomfret is ready. Let us do it for the another one. Wow. Now we are just going to dab them in the seasoned rice flour and fry it. So to rice flour I am just adding little bit of salt for seasoning and little bit of red chili powder for color. और जो pomfret है उसको अंदर रख देंगे. Dredge it with flour lightly like this, so that it becomes nice and crispy when we fry it. And give it a little shake so the excess flour comes off. So our pan is nice and hot. Let us add oil to shallow fry. Now first we add the side other than the stuffing. So the other side we are putting into the oil first and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes nicely. Bring him on little bit side and add the next one as well. जो पॉम्फ्रेट हमारा कुक हुआ है उसको 2 स्पैचुला के मदद से हम एकदम इजीली टर्न करेंगे. वाओ, दैट लुक्स डिलीशियस. So our Bharla pomfret is ready. Let us remove it on an absorbent paper. So that's the absolutely delicious Bharla paplet for you. And look at that green chutney and nice and crispy coating pomfret. So take a big bite of it and let us taste it and see it. Wow! That is by far one of the best seafood recipes and the pomfret recipes. You must try this for your family and friends. That soft creamy pomfret and the freshness from that green chutney makes it an awesome combination. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया भरला pomfret रेसिपी है, मालवनी स्टाइल की रेसिपी है. If you like this recipe, make sure you press that thumb icon, press the red button to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so whenever we do fantastic recipes like this, you get an instant notification. And until we meet again with fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.